Okay, this question mod y equal to mod of e raised to minus mod x minus half. That's the question. So first thing we need to do is draw the graph of e power minus x. That we know e power minus x graph is this. Then after that e power minus mod x graph. So which transformation is this? Y equal to f of x transforms to y equal to f of mod x. That is the transformation. So what will happen? Left side you keep, right side of y axis you keep as it is. Left side you delete this portion and take its mirror image. Okay. So this is the graph of y equal to e raised to minus mod x. This is 0, 1. Now what to do? Subtract the graph by half. So this graph will be like this. Like this. Okay. What is this point? This will be y equal to minus half, this line, and this is x equal to 0. X is 0 and y is half. Correct? Okay, so we got this. Now what to do? Take its modulus. If I take its modulus, it will be, here it is as it is. Okay, then it will come like this. Like this. Okay, so we got this. This point I didn't find. If you want, we can find how to find this point. E raised to minus mod x minus half equal to 0. E raised to minus mod x is half. I am taking x is positive. So e raised to minus x is half. Apply logarithm. Minus x is log half. So x is minus x is minus ln2. So x is ln2. Okay, so this is ln2 comma 0. If you want, we can substitute. Just substitute this. Is it correct? E raised to minus ln2 is 1 by e raised to ln2, 1 by 2. Yes, it's correct only. This will be minus ln2 comma 0. So this is our graph. Now what to do? Its mod. Now the final portion, which is mod y equal to mod of e raised to minus mod x minus half. So how it will be? Graph will be, you should take its mirror image, correct? About which axis? X axis. So like this you got, this is your graph. Okay. Now take its mirror image. So actually, as I said, you can see this come like this, and it will go like this, and it will come like this, and it will go like this. Okay. So y equal to half, y equal to minus half are the asymptotes. Okay, this is smooth actually. Here also smooth. Here also smooth. Okay, so that's the final graph. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So these are the different graphs related to this transformation. I will give some homeworks which you can do. Okay. Clear? Done? Okay. Next one. Homework, you can draw what? Mod y equal to mod of x square minus 5x plus 6 you can draw. Mod y equal to mod of x square minus 3 mod x minus 2 you can draw. Okay, these are homeworks. mod y equal to mod of x square minus 5x plus 6, mod y equal to mod of x square minus 3 mod x minus 2. What is the next step? Next transformation. Next transformation is something related to step x. Okay, y equal to f of x transforms to y equal to step of f of x. This one we need to study. And y equal to f of x transforms to y equal to f of step x we need to study. Then y equal to f of x transforms to y equal to step of f of step x we need to study. Actually it's a combination of these two, so it's not that difficult. Next one is y equal to f of x equal to step y equal to f of x, then step y equal to step of f of x, then step y equal to step of f of step x. But I am not writing it directly separately, because if you know these four, then you can draw that one also. Okay, so let us start. This also some students already know. So first transformation, y equal to f of x transforms to y equal to step of f of x. So what to do? Draw y equal to f of x, obtain its range, then in the range of the function on y-axis mark integers which are in the range of f of x. Okay, then what to do? Draw horizontal lines through these points. Which points? The points which we marked on the integers on y-axis, such that it meet the graph. Then find the corresponding x values lying on x-axis. Okay, then what you need to do is project the graph lying between two adjacent horizontal lines to the lower integral slab. Okay, that's the graph. Okay, so we will do a question, that time you will understand. So y equal to x square, graph I am drawing, x belongs to 0 to 2. Okay, so this is 0, this is 2. Then what to do? What was the first step? Mark integers on y-axis. What is its range? Range is 0 to 4. Now you draw horizontal lines which meets the curve. Then draw vertical lines so that you will get the corresponding x value. Y equal to x square. If x is 1, what is y? Sorry, if y is 1, what is x? Plus or minus 1. In this interval 1. When x is 2, what is y? Root 2. And this is root 3. Okay. Now what to do? You need to, you assume like this. You take a hammer and give a, okay, you take a hammer and just put a strike here. So what will happen? This portion will come down here. Okay, understood? It will come down. Hammer, it got a hit, it will come down. Hammer, it got a hit, it will come down. No, not here. Here. Draw y equal to f of x, done. Y-axis, mark integers which are in the range of f of x, done. Draw horizontal line, done, through this point such that it meets the graph. Then find the corresponding x value, done. Project the graph lying between two adjacent horizontal lines. Two adjacent horizontal lines to the lower integral slab. So this is the horizontal lines. Okay, horizontal lines. So project to the nearest integral slab. So project to the nearest integral slab. Okay. Okay. So project this graph to the nearest slab. So I am marking 0, then 1, then root 2, then root 3, then 2. So this will come here. Okay. This portion came here. At 1, actually, what is the value? You can substitute in the question itself. It is 1 only. So you should mark here. Then 1 to 2, what is the graph? 1 to root 2. This is the, you see, slab. This is the slab. So this person will come and lie on this slab. So that is this graph's slab. Okay. That root 2, this is the value. Which value? That value. So it will go there. This is 1, this is 2. Root 2 to root 3, it will be 2. Okay. Then root 3, it is 3. Root 3 to root 2, it will be 3. Okay. At 2, what is the actual value? This is 3, 4. So this is the graph. Okay. This is the graph. Okay, clear? So next. Next one. In some classes, students don't know this. That's why I'm teaching. I'm teaching for all the 3 batches. If you know this, you can just skip. No problem. Okay. So y equal to step sin x. Okay, this is what we are going to draw. Okay. So you mark here 1, then minus 1. When it is 1, pi by 2. When it is 0, pi. When it is minus 1, 3 pi by 2. Here 2 pi. Okay, we can draw graph, no problem. Now what to do? We draw horizontal lines and project to the nearest integral slab. That's it. So 0 to pi by 2, we have this. So what is the nearest integral slab? 0. So it will come here like this. Okay. So graph will be like this. But at pi by 2, what is the actual value? It will be 1. Okay. Pi by 2, it will be 1. Pi by 2 to pi. This one. What is the nearest integral slab? This one. 0. Again 0. So how will be the graph? It will be like this. At pi, what is the value? 0. At 0, what is the value? 0. Pi to 3 pi by 2. What is the nearest integral slab? This one. So it will come here. It will come here. So graph will be completely like this. This is 2 pi. Then what will happen? This will repeat. Here 5 pi by 2. And here 3 pi. And left side I'm drawing fast like this. Here, this will come like this. Here 1. Okay, this is minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Like that, graph will go. Okay, clear? Understood? Okay, then next one. Okay, clear? Next one. Y equal to step of root 2 minus x square, this one. So how to draw this? Okay, so y equal to root of 2 minus x square. So here I'm not getting an idea, so I'm just squaring it. So 2 minus x square, so what I got? X square plus y square equal to 2. This one we know, it's a circle and the center is 0 0 and radius root 2. But there is a problem. Here y can be negative, but here y cannot be negative. So y is greater than or equal to 0. So it's not a circle, it's a semicircle. So how will be its graph? This was our circle, entire circle, but a semicircle I should do. Okay. So this is minus root 2, this is plus root 2. Now what is this point? This point is, okay, this is 0 comma, substitute x equal to 0, what you are getting? Root 2. Now what to do? Mark integers. I marked integer 1, then that's it, 0. Now draw horizontal line. I draw horizontal line. Then what to do? Project the graph to the nearest integral slab. So you see, this point I want to know. This one, how to find that point? This is y equal to root of 2 minus x square, that is equal to what? 1. So what is 2 minus x square? 1. So what is x square? X square will be 2 minus 1, 1. So x is plus or minus 1. Okay, so this is 1, 1 to root 2. How will be the graph? Okay, this is your graph. What to do? Project to the nearest integral slab. What is that? 0, 0, x-axis. So project here. So how will be the graph? Graph will be like this. Okay, but at root 2, what is the value? 0 only. At 1, actual value was 1. So it will be 1 only, 1. Okay. Now minus 1 to 1, what is happening? The graph is like this. So project to the nearest integral slab. Boom. This one. Okay, this is minus 1. Okay, now minus 1 to root 2. What is its nearest integral slab? What is the slab of this one? This x-axis. So how it will be? Like this. Now here minus 1 actual value is 1. So I put a circle here. Then this one. So this is the graph. Okay. Understood? So I hope this transformation is clear. Now we will study next transformation, which is y equal to f of x. Transforms to y equal to f of step x. Okay. I'll teach it in next video.